Hold on,
You don't fight an officer, stop! You're gonna get in more trouble, bro.
The police insert themselves into all sorts of dangerous situations, and one wrong move could put them in serious danger.
I'm gonna hit him. Head on.
The stakes are always high in this field of work. That hasn't stopped Good Samaritans from stepping in and helping the boys and girls in blue out. And you're about to see these handy helpers in action in today's video. In Heber Springs, Arkansas, on April 21, 2022, Corporal Griffin pulled over a vehicle for following too closely and for an improper pass. What would have been a potential slap on the wrist got a lot messier, however.
25 at Roadrunner, Arkansas Adams Hall, 930, CRV White.
The officer detects a strong stench of a controlled illegal substance from within the vehicle, which he alleges is a probable cause for improper driving, although this driver seems to have a different idea of how the law works.
Corporal Griffin State Police, reason I stopped you, you're following too close, driving on the shoulder, and you passed on the shoulder. Any reason for the hurry today?
Do you need anything else?
I need your insurance and registration. Any reason you don't have your seatbelt on?
I took it off as I was getting my wallet out.
I didn't see that.
Oh, that's on you.
I don't believe it is. I need your insurance also. Is the vehicle insured?
Yes, sir.
Is it on your phone?
Oh, it's gonna be a minute.
What's the problem today? You just don't like to follow the rules? Drive how you want to and everybody else has to follow them? Get out of your way? I smell the odor of marijuana coming from your vehicle. Before I conduct a probable cause search on your vehicle, is there anything illegal in it?
No, I do not consent to a search of my vehicle.
I'm not asking you for consent. I'm telling you I smell marijuana.
I'm not giving you consent to search my vehicle.
I don't need consent. I've got a probable cause. There's a difference.
I understand, sir, but...
Obviously you don't understand what probable cause is.
Yes, sir.
Probable cause is me watching you pass somebody on the shoulder at an intersection, following too close, and I stop you. That's probable cause.
I can understand that, sir.
Probable cause is you smelling marijuana coming from your vehicle.
Consent to...
It's not a consent question.
Hang on a second here. Do this again. Right.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Hang on, let me get this on record. We can do this all together.
You can report if you want to. I don't care. Step out of the vehicle.
So we're going on record that I'm not consenting to any...
Step out of the vehicle. That's your option.
No, you can say please, sir. I do not...
I'm not asking you please. I'm telling you step out of your vehicle.
I know my law. I know my rules. And I know that
You're under arrest.
The officer then decides to arrest the driver. He's not coming out of his vehicle without a fight, and he certainly makes it unnecessarily difficult, but help is on the way for Corporal Griffin here.
Yeah, vehicle, you're under arrest. Set your phone down.
Let me call my lawyer right
Set your phone
quick.
down.
Let me call my lawyer.
I said set your phone down.
No, sir.
Get out of the vehicle.
Calm down. I know you're trying.
Yeah.
Keep trying. Why are you trying to fight?
Get out of the vehicle.
Sir, let me call my lawyer.
You don't need a lawyer. You need to get out of the vehicle.
I need to call my lawyer.
You can have your lawyer after you're done.
No, I'm calling my lawyer.
No, you're going to jail is what you're doing.
No, sir, you are physically assaulting me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Get out of the vehicle.
No, sir, you are physically assaulting me. Sir, stop it. Stop.
Get out of the vehicle.
No, sir, I'm not.
Yeah. Come here. Get out of the vehicle.
Sir, I'm gonna respectfully ask you, sir.
What are you fighting for? What's going on? You alright?
I'm fine.
Come on, bro. Get out and does what he tells you.
Turn around.
Sir,
Let's go.
hold on,
You
sir.
don't fight an officer, stop. You're gonna get in more trouble, bro.
Hang on, hang on.
Step back to the back here.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I don't know, thank you. Oh, you guys are exhausted.
Here. Just let him go there.
You got him?
Yeah.
You got both on?
I do.
You guys are exhausted. Oh, shoot you.
Yeah.
I don't know, you're breathing hard.
Since the struggling driver was tensing up to prevent himself from being removed, this helpful guy decides to step in and aid the cop in pulling the suspect out of his vehicle before handcuffs are placed on him. He's clearly being flippant and condescending throughout, which makes seeing him get placed in the back of a police car all the more satisfying.
I didn't know if he was reaching for a gun because I'm coming across him. I just saw him fighting.
He's just being an idiot.
Just so you know, the only reason I drew my firearm, I didn't know if he was trying to get a gun on you. When I drove by, I seen him pulled over. I thought maybe he was going for a gun, so that's why I stopped. I got my baby in his fucking room.
Let me get your information before you take off and just stop and help me. I do appreciate the help, though.
Yeah, the reason I want to know the reason I drew my firearm,
Appreciate it.
he was laying over grabbing a firearm or something. I couldn't tell what was going on. I just saw him fighting me like crazy. I didn't know what he was doing. I just saw him fighting me like crazy.
I smelled marijuana in his car and told him to get out, and he wouldn't do it.
He's probably got a bunch more stuff in there.
Probably does. 19 to 16. 10, 19 down here.
Location.
Between the sewage ponds and Roadrunner.
I hope you understand why I drew my firearm. I didn't know if he had a gun.
No.
I seen you clearing the car and him pulling over to the side. I thought he was grabbing a gun. I was worried about you, man.
No, I appreciate
I
the
thought
help.
he was going to shoot you or something.
I appreciate the help.
No, I was about for this 15 years. I wouldn't not stop. I seen him fighting you like crazy, man.
No, I do appreciate it for sure.
Oh, you need anything from me? Or you need
Yeah, I need to get your ID.
Okay.
That way I can put you down as
wallet.
helping me. You were over there, or somebody take off without you? This your truck here?
No, like crazy.
Okay.
She jumped up, she's back with the baby. I lost my wallet. I just took my daughter to lunch and I had it out there.
I need your ID.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I'm shaking, man. I thought he was going to do something.
Go ahead.
That scared me.
Hit 15 now. Send me an answer.
Man, I thought I was about to see. I thought he was going to see somebody get shot. I scared the hell out of me. You know what's going on? My wife getting shot. I heard
I ain't got a chance to.
because I know
I got another wrong
my buddy
way out
got
there.
shot. The guy had a gun clear down here, and my buddy missed it when we patted him down on the stop. Check him good, man. Something's up with him. He fighting like that for no reason.
I'll get him out. Search him.
Because I see him up there, he's jerking around doing something.
Yeah.
I want him to turn on you.
No charges were filed against the driver, but Corporal Griffin was nonetheless thankful for the intervention. Cops can't tell if anyone's armed and ready to fight back to such extremes after all. This guy deserves a pat on the back, and then some. More helpful civilians are about to help out the cops, so stick around for more. There's always that one suspect who tries to leg it around the police. A similar occurrence took place in Tulsa, Oklahoma on July 13, 2023. One man who falsely identified himself as David, actual name Miguel Hernandez, was being questioned by an officer, but it's not long until he abruptly bolts.
Mind getting that for me? And then David, if you want to have a seat right here for me, please. Right. Union 403, pursuit. We're going northbound Denver. Coming up to 11th Street. Hispanic male. Black t-shirt. Gray shorts.
Man, bro. Man, homie. Oh. Bro, I didn't
I get his name.
Oh, man.
Very 70, you say northbound Denver from 11.
Hey, can we...
Come on, man.
That should be wrong.
Bro. I'm sorry, homie.
Union 403. He's in custody.
Thanks to this civilian who hopped out of his pickup truck to tackle the suspect, the supposedly named Miguel Hernandez was arrested for possession of drug paraphernalia, resisting arrest, and a litany of felony warrants involving larceny, burglary, conspiracy, and illegal firearm possession out of Rogers County. It's no wonder he tried to run. Don't click away just yet. Another civilian is about to help out a cop. Suspects may try and run away from cops, though they can't outrun a car. But what if a vehicle isn't readily available? Well, one helpful civilian in Atlanta decided to aid an officer in June 2020. After a fatal shooting, 21-year-old Nicholas Fonseca was spotted and began to run.
Hey, go over by 04th Ward Park, ramp.
Fly the bicycle.
Copy. Black male, white male. Hispanic male on a bike. What color is it here?
Hey, let me borrow your bike, man. Let me borrow your bike.
I'll copy you in route.
Give me a second.
Let me keep my bag.
I got you. Go for it.
Okay.
You just make a left?
Just before receipt. 3613, advise to 78. Any unit out for 3613 with a visual.
Right here?
I copy. Branson 3613.
I'm still at the state park. There's some other units.
Copy. You have two detained, but not the Hispanic male on the bike.
I feel like that's it too. Yeah, I have two black men detained. We just got one on the roof. That's the Hispanic male on the bike.
Copy. Two black males detained. Hispanic male on the bike outstanding. Copy. He was running up.
See what I got any mobile units on that can pick you up on the road?
Stephen Willard, a cyclist, is willing to lend an officer in pursuit his bike upon his request. The suspect rides away on a bicycle on the multi-use trail, the Beltline. The chase leads him to Ponce City Market.
Hey, I got him inside. He's going on to Ponce City Market right now. In front of the Ponce City Market.
Copy. Going towards Ponce City Market. 78 on the clothing of the bike.
He's going to get a yellow bike. He's trying to put it Ponce City Market.
Copy. Hispanic male on a yellow bike towards Ponce City Market. One receipt.
Radio, he's going towards. Stand by. He sees me. Stand by. Making it right on Glen Iris, radio. Glen Iris, north of Glen Iris. Make it right on Glen Iris. Going towards PCM. Going to Glen Iris and PCM, radio. Glen Iris and PCM. Hey!
Make a 5-time right away for that sugar. Copy 59 right away. Glen Iris response. Glen Iris response. Ready for you on a yellow bike. Glen Iris response.
Radio, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it.
Copy, male in custody. Male in custody. Eastern off 7 hours. Advisor.
Thankfully, another officer has already apprehended Fonseca. According to the police, Fonseca was arrested and charged with felony murder, accused of shooting a 37-year-old man to death. Willard did a great deed by offering his bike to this cop nonetheless, and 2 cops being with a suspect.